Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this gatefold card with the Inked Botanicals suite. Here is my gatefold card using the Inked Botanicals suite, which includes these two punches and this stamp set, inked and tiled, that go together. So this gatefold card opens up like so after you remove the belly band, and I've used the basic borders dies, this curved one right here, to create the edges. So I will show you how I do that. So I've started with a thick piece of very vanilla cardstock that is 10 inches by 5.5, and I've scored it at 2 7/8 from each side. I also have a 6x6 piece of the Inked Botanicals Designer Series paper, and I'm going to cut these both out together. So I've made this piece, it's still the 6 inches, but I have shortened it to 5 1/4 so that it will layer on this piece after we cut it. So I'm just gonna push it all the way to the edge, and then in between the top and the bottom, I'm going to place my basic borders die down, and then I'm going to try to make sure that it's about 1 inch from each side while I'm holding it here. And so it looks like this side needs to come up a little bit. So we'll move that up a little bit and we will measure again. That's 1 inch, 1 inch. Okay, and then I'm just going to tape it down. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. All right, so now we've got our two edges here. And so we are going to adhere this on one side and then trim it and then adhere it on the other side. Okay, so now that I have my designer series paper on, I have a belly band, and this belly band is 10 by 1.5, and I am just going to wrap it around starting in the back and just fold it over. So that we meet in the middle here. And then we're going to place this on top, but first we're going to stamp it. So I'm going to color this flower stamp. I'm going to color the petals with Calypso Coral and the stems and leaves with Lost Lagoon. I'm just adding 2 dimensionals here. Okay, maybe 4. And I'm just going to place this right here in the middle. And that is my gatefold card using the Inked Botanicals suite. Receive my Inked Botanicals suite card kit for free when you purchase the bundle or you place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit.